Creating a professional Gmail account is a quick and easy process that can enhance your online presence. Follow these steps to create a professional Gmail account. 1. Go to the Gmail website and click on Create an Account. 2. Enter your first and last name in the given fields. 3. Choose a unique username for your Gmail account. 4. Create a strong password to protect your account. 5. Enter your birth date and gender for verification purposes. 6. Add a phone number and recovery email to your account to keep it secure. 7. Review and agree to Google's terms and conditions. 8. Click Create Account to finish the process. Once your account is created, you can customize your profile with a professional profile picture, signature, and personalized message. You can also connect with other professionals by joining LinkedIn groups, following influencers, and networking online. By creating a professional Gmail account, you can simplify your communication, establish your digital identity, and elevate your career prospects.